3 secret engine maintenance tips mechanics won't tell you. Hey, car lovers! Want to keep your engine running like new for years? Today, I'll reveal 3 secret engine maintenance tips that mechanics won't tell you. These will save you thousands in repairs and extend your car's life. Let's dive in. Secret number 1. The hidden engine oil change rule. Most mechanics will tell you to follow your car's manual for oil changes, but did you know that your driving style affects oil lifespan? If you drive in stop-and-go traffic or short trips, your oil gets dirty faster. Change it every 5,000 miles, even if your manual says 7,500. Your engine will thank you. Quick tip: always use high-quality synthetic oil to keep your engine running smoothly. Secret number 2. The forgotten air filter trick. A dirty air filter reduces fuel efficiency and strains your engine. Mechanics often overlook this because it's an easy DIY fix. Check your air filter every 10,000 miles and replace it if it's clogged. A clean filter boosts horsepower and fuel economy. Pro tip: get a washable performance air filter to save money long term. Secret number 3. The magic fuel system cleaner. Ever feel like your engine is losing power? Carbon buildup clogs fuel injectors, reducing performance. Mechanics rarely mention this, but a simple fix is using a fuel system cleaner every 3,000 miles. This keeps your engine running like new and prevents costly repairs. Bonus hack: always use top-tier gasoline to minimize carbon deposits. Now you know 3 secret engine maintenance tips that can save you a ton of money. Which tip surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car maintenance secrets.